Another property is visibility, which it is visible. I control drag to make another one, and let's type this one, show hide. And I want to make a toggle like previous one, double click. Again, option button 1, that doesn't matter, label, text box, command button, they all have this property. That visible, I just set false for now to see the result. And note that disable is mean exists, you will see, but you cannot interact. But hide mean you cannot see actually. It is exists, but you cannot see that. So make it toggle like previous one. Again, I'm gonna copy, just here say not, and the same property name. So visible, is it visible? If it is yes, gonna get not, invisible, or again visible. We made a similar one, but this time with visibility. Let's run, show, hide, disable, enable. And of course, even if I hide it and click on disable and show it again, still it is disabled because before that I was clicked on that. So hiding or make it not visible doesn't mean it does not exist or you cannot get interact. Just it is hiding from your site.